We are in Antalya, in the beach, this private beach, and there's a rock that I just tripped on. But the water feels great. Hello, my name's Alfredo, and this is Off the Strip, where I introduce you to places just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip or take you on one of my adventures. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. We are in Antalya at this private beach. The water is super nice. We're on the coast. Beautiful. This is Mermerli Beach. This hidden gem in Antalya's old town is a private beach that might be small, but it's got big charm. For just a few bucks, you get access to a lounge chair and an umbrella. Mermerli is tucked away at the base of the cliffs under the historic Mermerli restaurant. It feels like a small slice of paradise in this Turkish hot sun. The beach is mostly visited by tourists, though you'll also find a few locals. The crystal clear water averages about 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer, making it the perfect dip. We just spent a couple hours at this beach, had a great time. Water was nice and cool, but it got too hot even though the water was cool. And it's time for lunch, so thank you, Antalya. Just outside the entrance of Mermerli restaurant is this juice vendor that offers super fresh fruit juices that he prepares fresh to order. I couldn't resist how sweet the watermelon looked, so I went with that. So after the beach, we're gonna try this fresh watermelon juice. That's so good. That's really good. Straight watermelon juice. Yum. After a hot afternoon in Antalya, we all agreed it was time for a nap. And after we rested and freshened up, we met for dinner in Turkey one last time. So it appears we've come to like a downtown area of Antalya. We found this cozy little spot called Vanilla, but there was nothing vanilla about it. The meals were perfectly prepared and the cocktails, they were on point. With full stomachs and happy hearts, we decided to take one last stroll around downtown Antalya. The streets were alive with energy. I soaked in the sights and sounds, trying to memorize every detail of the city before we had to say goodbye. Walking through Antalya, with its blend of history, culture, and that laid-back vibe, was the perfect way to close out an incredible trip. It's our last night in Turkey. We had a great dinner. Now we're just walking around looking at shops, souvenirs, last-minute stuff before we wrap up this 2024 adventure. So thank you for joining. We'll see you next time. Thank you, Turkey. We are going home. In this video, we are going to explore Zurich in just 2 hours. What can we do in Zurich in 2 hours?